Good morning, Word Study friends. Welcome to This Week in Word Study. Today we are going to sort letter feature P, sort number 9. Your headers this week are CT, which make a T sound, CT with ION, which makes the shun sound, SS, which makes the S sound, and SS plus ION, which makes the shun sound. Let's take a look at our words this week. Our first word, direct. Direct has that T sound at the end and is spelled with CT, so we'll put it under the CT category. Direct. Elect. Elect has that same T sound that direct had, so we're going to put that under the CT sort. Confess. Confess will go under the double S with the S sound. Detect. We hear that T sound spelled CT. That C is silent, so be careful with that. Direction. We have the shun sound, and it's spelled with CT-ION, so we're going to put that under the CT-ION. Election. Same as direction there. We have CT-ION. Confession. We hear the shun at the end, no T. Confession goes under SS plus the ending ION. Detection, that's spelled with the CT ending, and we hear shun at the end, so that will go under CT plus ION. Express, we hear that S sound spelled with a double S, so we're going to put that under our double S ending. Connect, connect has that T sound at the end, spelled CT. Discuss, we hear the S sound at the end, spelled double S. Impress, same thing, we hear the S sound at the end, spelled double S. Expression, we hear the S plus ION, the shun sound, SSION. Connection, we hear the T sound, that shun, again, CTION. Discussion, SSION. And last but not least, impression, SSION. What do we notice about these words? Well, they both, all of them have either a CT ending or an SS ending, and then some also have that suffix ION. So we need to listen for the T sound at the end, like in direct, direction. We kind of lose that T sound. And then we have an S sound at the end, confess, confession. So the ION words can be a little tricky, so be very careful of the spelling, whether it's CT-ION or SS-ION. Good luck this week. Work hard. Make sure you sort your words at least once. And I will see you later on next week for your word study test. Thank you for watching This Week in Word Study.